The following information is the proven BagANut method in a nutshell. First thing you'll want to do is trim the lower limbs on your trees high enough to allow access underneath them. Make sure you remove all the cut and fall limbs from the orchard floor. Be sure to mow under your trees regularly, but if mowing has been neglected, mow in a pattern that discharges the excess thatch away from the trees. We tend to recommend a circular pattern, but whatever blows the grass thatch away from your harvesting area should be fine. It's very important to mow one last time right before nuts begin to fall. The short grass makes blowing leaves easier, and the nuts will be easier to pick up. Let the ground dry before harvesting. We don't recommend harvesting in snow or puddles. Keep your harvester moving in a forward direction. Reversing the harvester will lift the ejector fingers out of position and lead to jamming. The most important tip of all is to be sure and blow away the leaves from the area before harvesting, making sure you use the wind and slopes to your advantage. This step can be a pain, but like taping up your windows before you paint, it's well worth it. Figure out a blowing strength that will blow the leaves but leave the nuts. While you have your blower out, go ahead and blow any nuts that have fallen close to the trunk of the tree away from the rooted area for easy pickup. And finally, plan ahead as to how you will sort and handle your harvest. We recommend these crates for smaller farms and bulk bags for larger farms. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our wonderful support team. Happy harvesting!